Nikola Tesla, a renowned inventor and electrical engineer, was born on 10 July 1856 in modern-day Croatia. His contributions to science and technology revolutionized the modern world and laid the foundation for many innovations we enjoy today. Tesla's story began with his early fascination with electricity and engineering. After completing his education, he worked for several years in Europe before immigrating to the United States in 1884. There, he started working with Thomas Edison, but soon parted ways due to their conflicting views on electrical systems. After parting ways with Edison, Tesla embarked on patenting an arc lighting system, potentially the same one he had developed during his time at Edison's company. In March 1885, he sought assistance from patent attorney Lemuel W. Serrell, who had previously worked with Edison, to navigate the patenting process. Serrell introduced Tesla to two businessmen, Robert Lane and Benjamin Wall, who agreed to provide financial backing for Tesla's venture. Together, they formed the Tesla Electric Light and Manufacturing Company, focused on manufacturing arc lighting equipment and establishing a utility company. Throughout the year, Tesla dedicated himself to obtaining patents, including an improved direct current (DC) generator, which marked his initial patents granted in the United States. He also oversaw the construction and installation of the system in Rahway, New Jersey. Tesla's innovative system garnered attention in the technical press, which recognized its advanced features and potential. In 1895, Edward Dean Adams, deeply impressed by his tour of Tesla's laboratory, joined forces with him to establish the Nikola Tesla Company. This new venture aimed to secure funding, develop, and commercialize a range of Tesla's existing patents and inventions, as well as future innovations. Another key member, Alfred Brown, brought along patents from the Peck and Brown collaboration. The board of the company was further strengthened by the addition of William Birch Rankine and Charles F. Coney. However, due to the challenging financial climate of the mid-1890s, the company faced difficulty in attracting investors. Additionally, the wireless lighting and oscillators patents that the company intended to market did not achieve the anticipated success. Nonetheless, the Nikola Tesla Company continued to manage Tesla's patents for many years to come. From the 1890s to 1906, Tesla dedicated a significant portion of his time and personal wealth to a series of ventures aimed at realizing his vision of transmitting electrical power wirelessly. Building upon his earlier experiments with wireless lighting, he pursued the concept of utilizing coils to transmit power. In Tesla's view, this approach had the potential not only to enable the transmission of vast amounts of power across the globe but also, as he had emphasized in his previous lectures, to facilitate global communication networks. The investors displayed limited enthusiasm for Tesla's concepts involving novel types of alternating current motors and electrical transmission equipment. Once the utility was established in 1886, they determined that the competitive nature of the manufacturing sector was unfavorable and chose to focus solely on operating an electric utility. As a result, they established a new utility company, abandoning Tesla's venture and leaving the inventor in a financially dire situation. Tesla found himself without resources and even lost control of the patents he had generated, having assigned them to the company in exchange for stock. Tesla went on to develop his own alternating current (AC) system, which he believed was superior to Edison's direct current (DC) system. This invention allowed for the efficient transmission of electricity over long distances, enabling the widespread adoption of electrical power systems. His work on AC power played a crucial role in the electrification of cities and the development of modern electrical infrastructure. Throughout his career, Tesla filed numerous patents and made groundbreaking discoveries. He invented devices such as the Tesla coil, a high-voltage transformer, and the induction motor, which became the basis for many electrical appliances and industrial machinery. However, despite his brilliant mind and numerous inventions, Tesla faced financial challenges and struggled to gain widespread recognition during his lifetime. He often faced setbacks and difficulties in securing funding for his ambitious projects. Tesla's visionary ideas extended beyond electricity. He proposed concepts such as wireless communication, wireless transmission of energy, and even envisioned the possibility of wireless global communication networks, similar to what we now know as the Internet. Despite the challenges he faced, Tesla's contributions to science and technology cannot be overstated. His work laid the foundation for the development of modern power systems, wireless communication, and many other advancements that continue to shape our world today. Nikola Tesla's legacy lives on as a visionary and pioneer in the field of electrical engineering. His innovative ideas, commitment to progress, and dedication to the pursuit of knowledge have inspired generations of scientists and engineers, leaving an indelible mark on the history of science and technology.